Welcome back to Simple Household Tips. Today, I've got a super fun and easy party hack that's perfect for birthdays, special occasions, or just making drinks more exciting. We're going to make fun ice cubes using something you probably already have at home: empty chocolate trays. When you buy a box of chocolates, you'll often find these plastic trays inside that hold each piece in place. Instead of throwing them away, you can reuse them in a really creative way. These little trays are perfect molds for making ice cubes. The shapes can be hearts, stars, shells, whatever the chocolate came in. All you need to do is wash the tray thoroughly, then fill the compartments with water. But here's where you can get creative. Instead of just water, try using fruit juice, lemonade, or even colorful drinks for a fun twist. You can also pop in pieces of fruit like berries, grapes, or even mint leaves before freezing. This makes your ice cubes not only fun to look at but tasty too. Now, place the liquid full tray carefully into your freezer and leave it for a few hours until completely frozen. Once frozen, just pop them out like you would with a normal ice cube tray. Look at these shapes. They're so much more exciting than regular cubes. Drop them into drinks at a party, and the kids will love it. Or you can use them for themed events like Valentine's Day or summer barbecues. And there you have it, a super simple way to make your drinks more festive, fun, and memorable, all while recycling something you would normally throw away. If you enjoyed this quick DIY tip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves creative hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.